Ready to ditch hefty bank fees and unlock seamless international spending? Let's activate your Wise card in the UK with this super simple, step-by-step guide so you can start enjoying its amazing benefits in minutes. First, grab your phone and open the Wise app. If you don't have it, download it from your app store. Log into your Wise account using your email and password or through biometric login if you have it set up. Once you're logged in, look for the Cards tab, usually at the bottom of your screen, and tap on it. You should see your Wise card displayed here, but it will be marked as inactive. Now, take a look at the physical Wise card you received in the mail. On the card itself, you'll find a 6-digit activation code. Keep this handy, as you'll need it in the next step. Back in the Wise app, tap on the Activate Card button, which should be prominently displayed. A screen will appear prompting you to enter the 6-digit activation code that you found on your physical card. Carefully type in the code and double-check you've entered it correctly. Once you've entered the code, tap on the Submit button. The app will then confirm that your Wise card has been successfully activated. Congratulations! Now you can use your Wise card for online purchases, in stores, and for easy international transfers with super low fees. Enjoy the freedom and flexibility your Wise card offers. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more finance tips.